Go.
What's up, you guys? I'm here with my boy LB Shore Lunchbox, and we're here at White Creek. What is it? White Oak Creek?
White Rock Creek.
I'm gonna edit this
Yeah,
out.
no, I know.
We're here at where are we? White Rock Creek. That's a tongue twister. All right. What's up, you guys? Right now I'm here with my boy Andy, aka LB Shore, and right now we're here at White Croc. What's up, you guys? It's your boy E Frizzle, and we're here at White Rock Creek. We're going to be doing a little fishing. This is a spot we've never been to. We're not sure what the production will be like, but I'll tell you what, the water is ultra clear. We can actually see all the little bait fish and catfish and baby bass, and so yeah, it's gonna be a lot of fun, and hopefully we can catch some fish, so stay tuned. Look at this spot, you guys. This is just heaven. Fisherman's heaven. Right now I'm just tossing a little mini jerkbait that I picked up at Dick's the other day. It's a suspending. Oh, no way. I got one, bro. Yes. No way. Little micro fishing, baby. I'm gonna have to get the pliers. I'll get you out. Okay, got you.
No.
Okay, slow-mo release. All right. Woo! But I too am going to throw on my jig. Yes! Hold on. Let me get my camera. Woo!
On the jig, son. Do you like that?
Nice. Were you swimming that jig? Woo!
Whoa!
What are you doing for us, boy?
Right here we got the 6 Sense hybrid jig. Straight out of the box. A lot of you may already know this, but I'm just going to show you how to set it up to actually catch fish, because these things out of the box, they've got too much skirt on them, and the weed guard is a little too long. So we're going to trim it up a little bit here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the skirt all the way down to where the hook ends, and you're just going to trim that off, make it a little bit shorter. Then once you see the hook end right here, that's where you're going to trim it on that level. Then when you're done with that, you're just going to randomly go around the edges and just kind of prune off little pieces. Don't go too crazy with it, but just give it some thinness. You see how much more thin that is? More enticing, okay? Then you see the weed guard right here. You're just going to snip a little bit off the weed guard. And that's going to allow your hookup ratio to be a little bit better on these finicky bass. In a big lake, you may not have to do that. But on this, because they're finicky, they just make it a little bit easier. Okay.
Alrighty.
I have one bandito bug in natural. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a trailer for this. Let me find it. Here we go. This is a Strike King Baby Menace in bluegill color. I think it's gonna look nice, little bluegill on there. So instead of threading it on like a traditional jig, which would be like this, lateral, see, we're gonna thread it on vertical, so it looks like the tails are flicking on it. So you're gonna hold it like this, you know, just do your normal jig, follow it all the way up straight. And out the top and around. And there you have a nice little bluegill imitation.
Nice.
Like that.
What's up? I'm just throwing the jerkbait in, although I'm not really getting any hits. I don't think it's gonna be like a ton of big ones, but it's just a matter of putting it in front of their face. Right there. Oh.
You got one?
Yeah. Dude, it's all right. As I was saying, it's a matter of putting it in front of their face. Ah! Okay, rule number one. If they're treble hooks, Do not ever put your fingers near it. You need pliers. But take a look at this guy here. Whew!
You were close to feeling the wrath, weren't you?
Oh yeah. Okay. The key is stunning them on the side like this, just grabbing them so that they don't move. Grab the treble hook, just gently twist it out, and you're all good.
I wish next time I am gonna bring my water filtration system. We can drink the water out of here, and it's cold enough. Oh, it's deep right there. It's deep in there. You see that?
Yeah.
Right in there. Let's see if I get one. I got hit. What is it? You see it? The bubble?
Oh yes! You got one! Yes!
On a jig, bro.
Dude!
Are you kidding
what?
me? No way, dude. Look at this bass. No way. No way. Look, I can just let him go right here. That will never happen again. And the best part is you see he's hooked in the mouth. That's the best part.
Yes, probably
I'll
not.
never catch a smaller bass on a jig, on a 3/8 ounce jig. Look how beautiful this bridge is.
I know. I love it. It's like old school. It's old school bridge.
And walk kind of slower just in case there is fish in these deep,
There's a lot of
these
fish.
deep eddies. Yeah. Oh, look at them go. Bluegills. So you gotta wonder, like, why is it so deep right there? Dude, there's bass in there. Look off the side. See
Yeah,
the
I
ripples?
know. Hold on, I'm gonna set this camera down
Yes.
real quick. I'm gonna toss the crankbait first. Oh, just real quick. I think this is too big, but we'll see. I mean, you never know, right?
Hey.
Hey.
Oh my God, Eric. Dude,
Is it okay? Oh my God, I got it. Right there.
you got it?
Yes.
Oh, dude, I can't. Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
That's a
a
beautiful
decent
bass.
blue. No, it's a blue. What is this? Bluegill?
That's a warmouth.
Get my pliers on. I just tossed my crankbait in this little here. And look what I got. Man, he went after it too. There you go. One more. Gotcha.
What we got there?
Oh, there he goes.
Quick release.
Yeah, he's chilling right there in this little spot.
He just ate a 1.5 crankbait.
I got hit like 5 times
Did you?
on the way up. I just cranked it
Chuck my
quick.
jig in there.
Do it. All right. Next up, LB Shore for your pleasure.
I got one.
Get the front.
He ate it immediately. Dude. All right, didn't get hit that time. Let's just move on. Oh, coyote poop. See that? Coyote poop because it's got fur in it. You see that?
Interesting. Gross.
There's a squatch in these woods.
All right, you guys, right now we're wrapping it up. We just went down this whole stream here, as you can see. And it was a freaking awesome time. But next time we're gonna come a little more prepared now that we understand what this place is all about. But anything you want to say, LB, for show?
Oh, just great time. We're gonna come back with I'm gonna come back with my fly rod. We saw a couple 2-pounders down there, some beautiful bluegill. We just didn't come completely prepared. It's our first time here, but I think next time we're gonna get them. We're gonna get them.
If you enjoyed this content, smash that like button, leave a comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Rock Legion.
Oh no, oh no. She's trying to hit me up on a low. She's trying to get back to the old girls. This shit fucked me up in the dome. Like, no girl, leave me alone. Just get the fuck out my zone. Get back the fuck where you gone. Get back the fuck where you gone. You make me wanna smoke all that weed.
All right, what's up? It's Lunchbox. Give this video a like. We're out here sweating our asses off out here.